Welcome back. The feast of Our Lady of Immaculate Conception was celebrated in state with religious fervour and gaiety. The feast was celebrated at Panji, Madgaon and some other parishes across the state. Devotees from all walks of life participated in the feast of Sai Bin Mai. Fair at the feast is the major attraction. After losing narrowly in their first match to Rajasthan, Goa returned to winning ways in BCCI Senior Women's One-Day Cricket League at Porvorim on Monday. Goa crushed Jammu and Kashmir by 142 runs with Salma, Divkar and Nikita Malik playing important roles for the host. In other matches, Tamil Nadu defeated Rajasthan while Kerala beat Gujarat.
Goa won the toss and elected to bat first. However, the home team was shockingly reduced to 82 for 5. When last match's half-centurion Santoshi Rane was out in the 28th over. Pratiksha Gadekar then joined Salma Divkar and the duo began an important partnership for Goa. Salma scored a responsible half-century, while Pratiksha was run out for a well-made 30. The sixth-wicket partnership was worth 58 runs, and Goa were looking towards inching their way to 200. However, the hosts were restricted to 186 for 9 in their allotted 50 overs. Jammu and Kashmir were bowled out for a paltry 63 runs in their opening match against Kerala, and they failed to show any improvement in their second match. Goa's new ball bowlers Santoshi Rane and Nikita Malik bowled a fine spell and put pressure on the Jammu and Kashmir batters right from the start. Nikita, who had earlier made 21 runs, picked up 4 wickets for 12 runs as the visitors were bundled out for just 44 runs in 28.3 overs. Goa won by a huge margin of 142 runs and will play Tamil Nadu on Wednesday in their third league match. Sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Deven Gaonkar from Porvorim.
And with this we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.